Welcome to Zenyo Workforce. I'll show you how to configure your employee settings. Zenyo Workforce simplifies HR management by allowing you to easily configure employee settings such as organizing information, creating job titles, departments, employee categories, and much more. The data created here will appear in drop-down menus within the add forms across different modules of your workforce. Let's get started. In the Employee Settings menu, navigate to the Employee Code submenu. Here, you can choose how employee codes are generated. There are two options, manual and auto-generated. Manual codes are entered manually in the employee registration form and follow a sequential order. If you need auto-generated codes, choose auto-generated and set a prefix and starting number, example, employee 1000. Click Save to confirm your chosen method. Move on to the Job Title section. You can create new job titles by clicking Add. Enter the specific job title and click Save. Use the search bar to find existing job titles. Edit existing titles or delete them as needed. New job titles will appear as drop-down menu options in the placement form, work authorization form and SOW forms. Navigate to the Department section. Click Add to create new departments. Enter the specific department name and click Save. You can search existing departments and edit existing departments or delete them as needed. New departments will appear as drop-down menu options in the employee registration form. In the Employee Category section, employee categories are classified based on citizen for employees working in the country where the company is located, or visa for employees working in a different country. Click Add to create new employee categories. Enter the specific category name and click Save. Find existing employee categories using the search bar. New employee categories will appear as drop-down menu options in the employee registration form. Some default pre-created categories are provided which cannot be deleted or edited. But you have the flexibility to modify or remove the categories you created as needed. Move on to the employment type. Employment type can include part-time, full-time, remote work, and much more. Click Add to create new employment type. Enter the specific type name and click Save. It gets added to the list. New employment type will appear as drop-down menu options in the employee registration form. Moving on to the Dependent Relation section. Click Add to define new dependent relation types, example, child. Enter the relation name and click Save. Search, edit or delete them as needed. New dependent relation options will appear in an Employees My Info section in the Emergency Contact tab under Contact Information. In the Designation section, click Add to create new designations. Enter the designation name and click Save. Added designations will appear as drop-down menu options in the employee registration form. Navigate to the Document Type section. Click Add to define new document types, example, employment contract, performance appraisal documents. Enter the specific document type name and click Save. Search, edit or delete using the icons under Actions. New document types will appear in the Employees My Info section. Head on to the Termination Reason section. Click Add to define new reasons for employee termination. Enter the specific reason name and click Save. Search an entry, edit or delete as per your needs. In the Ethnicity section, click Add to create new ethnicity options. Enter the specific ethnicity name and click Save. Use the search bar to find existing ethnicities. Edit existing ethnicities or delete them as needed. New ethnicity will appear as drop-down menu options in the employee registration form. Let's move on to the Notice Period section. Click Add to define new standard notice periods, in days, for job terminations. Enter the specific number of days and click Save. New notice periods will appear as drop-down menu options in the employee registration form. Finally, navigate to the Payroll Change Reason section. This allows you to define reasons for payroll changes, which can then be selected in individual employee forms. Click Add to create a new reason for payroll changes. Enter the specific reason name and click Save. Use the search bar to find existing payroll change reasons. Edit existing reasons or delete them if necessary. Change reasons will appear as drop-down menu options in the Payroll tab of Employees My Info section. Hope this video has given you enough information about employee settings. Make sure you like, subscribe, and get notified so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Let us know if you have any queries. Thanks for watching.